Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to remove application from desktop Windows 11. It's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To remove or uninstall an application from a desktop running Windows 11, follow these straightforward steps. So firstly, in the settings window, click on Apps to open the Apps and Features settings. Go to the installed apps. Scroll through the list of installed applications or use the search bar to find the application you want to uninstall. Click on the three dots next to the application's name and choose Uninstall. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click on Install again to confirm your decision. Method 2. Search for Control Panel and the Start menu and open it. Click on Programs and Features. Find the application you wish to uninstall in the list of installed programs. Choose the program and click on Uninstall or Uninstall Change above the list. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Each of these methods will help you remove applications your Windows 11 desktop. Choose the one that suits your preference or the specifics of the software you're dealing with. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.